Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to learn English language. You know what, there are so many beginners who are learning English language. So what happens in our initial days when we are beginner, so in our initial days we become super excited to speak English language, and we learn many more things, many more vocabularies, advanced vocabularies, many more idioms, phrases, and short sentences which we don't use even, you know, and we learn a lot of things even we are not able to speak. So these types of mistakes we make while learning English language in our initial days. So my friend, in this video we are going to cover these types of points so that the people who want to learn English language, they could not have to face the same problems that so many people had to face, including me, you know. So that is why I'm just sharing with you, so that you could speak, you could learn English language in a short period of time. Okay, you could not you could not spend, you could not spoil, you could not waste your so much time to speak English. Okay, so listen to me carefully whatever I'm going to share with you. Okay, so my first thing is, must remember this thing. See, focus on only these four things, you know: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. See what I'm going to share with you. These four things are important to speak English language. These four things are important to learn English language. See what happens actually. When we are beginner, we are unable to understand English language. We are unable to speak English language, right? So first of all, we need to have knowledge about the grammar. Okay, first of all we need to have knowledge about what kind of sentences are there, what kind of rules are there in grammar, and how to frame the sentences, how to just learn the sentences. And must remember this thing as well: while framing the sentences, while writing the sentences, just speak those sentences. While speaking loudly, speak loudly and write those sentences, whatever you are writing, whatever you are framing. Okay, we don't speak when we write the sentence. Okay, so write and speak as well. So do this thing. And if I talk about another thing, the second thing is, listen English language every single day. Even if you are unable to understand, even you are not able to understand anything, still you should listen English language every single day. Okay, and see, don't listen different types of videos, many videos. See, only one video you should download. I would say to download this video and just listen this video, the same video, again and again. And whatever vocabularies you are listening, whatever vocabularies the person who is speaking he is using, just write it down in your notebook. Okay, write it down, and the other day, the next day, listen the same video again and see your that are you able to recall those vocabularies? Are you able to understand some of the things? If you are able to understand, so it means that you are improving, your English is improving. Okay, and see, then start speaking every single day. You know what, in our initial days we are unable to speak so many things. We don't have any type of topic for speaking, we don't have someone for practice. If you have, so it is good for you. It is very good for you, you know, if you have someone. If you don't have someone, so try to speak in front of the mirror and just speak every single day. If you are unable to understand what to say, what not to say in English language, so just try to introduce yourself. Try to just talk to yourself, try to introduce yourself, whatever you are, whoever you are. Just try to talk about your family background, your qualification, your hobbies. Okay, and just speak every single day as much as possible. Okay, and if I talk about the another thing, which is reading. So reading task can be completed while writing the sentence. When you will write the sentences, then you can speak as well. If you like any story, English stories, must read those stories. And see, On YouTube there are many types of channels are available on the people who are just reading the stories, and they are telling you, they are telling the meanings, they are telling the vocabularies, what is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of this, each and everything they will be telling about it, so you will be able to understand all the things. So in this way also you can improve your English language. Just read every single day. Okay. And the next thing I would say, practice. Don't break the consistency. Don't break the consistency. Every single day, each and every single day you should speak, you should follow these four methods: reading, listening, and if I talk about the writing, see, reading, listening, speaking, and writing. So writing was left. So see, every single day you should write 4-5 vocabularies, for only 4-5 vocabularies which are useful, okay, which you can speak, which you can use, right? Write it down, those vocabularies, and make any sentence, try to relate it to your life, try to relate it to yourself. Okay. And you will not be able to forget it. You will be able to remember it for a long time. Okay. And just try to speak every single day some of the things. In this way you can improve your English language. We cannot speak we cannot speak English language after 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. It is nothing like that. See, we can speak but not fluently. We can speak some of the things, we can speak, of course we can speak, but we cannot speak fluently. There are so many people who were learning English language, who had been learning English language for a long time. Still they are practicing. If I talk about myself, so I'm also practicing here. I'm also speaking every single day. Even nowadays I'm speaking English language, but still I am making mistakes, I am just stucking, I am stumbling, I am facing problems, I'm struggling while speaking English language. So still I am practicing. Okay. So it is a language. It we cannot learn it over the night. We cannot learn in 3 months, in 4 months. No. Okay. The more we will speak, the more fluent we will become. It is the thing. So my friend, keep doing it, keep learning, keep speaking, keep writing, and in the end of the day you will be able to speak English language, right? So just follow these methods and improve your English language. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.